Hello student, welcome to my class of computer science for class 11th. In this video student, we are going to understand rules of Boolean algebra with the help of some kind of mathematical equations. Here, the first one thing, a plus 0, that will be definitely a. In earlier video, we have understand how it is possible. Suppose that a is 0, then a plus a will be definitely a. Or we can say that a is 1, then a plus 1 will be definitely again a, because a is already 1. Now second one, a plus 1 equals to 1. Suppose that here is a either 0 or 1, it will be definitely again 1. Either suppose that a is 1, 1 plus 1 again 1, and we can say that a is it is, or a equals to 0, then 0 plus 1 again 1. Third one rule, a into 0 equals to again 0. So here into means whatever, according to truth table, both equations should be true, otherwise it will be false. So according to that, if a is 0, then it will be 0. If a is 1, again it will be 0. Fourth one, a into 1 will be again a. So here a, suppose that here is 0, so 0 into 1, it will be again 0, it means to say a. If 1, then 1 into 1 equal to again a, that is a, that means to say 1. A plus a equals to a, then a bar, I am to say a plus a bar, it will be definitely 1. How it is possible? Look at here. So suppose that here is 0 or here is 1. So 0 plus 1 will be again 1, or here is 1 or here is 0. So you can say again 1. So it's the complementary, either one of the signal will be 0 and one of the signal will be 1. So it will be definitely 1. So here is a into a equals to a. Yes, it is true. Here is if a equals to 0, a equals to 0. So a 0 into 0 will be again 0. Or a equals to 1, a equals to 1. So 1 into 1 equal to again 1. Here eighth rule, a into a bar will be always 0, because here once they are both in different signal, I mean to say one will be in a higher state and another in a lower state. So it will definitely 0. So here a double bar, that meant to say involution law. Suppose that here is a equals to 1, okay, so 1 negation, that means to 0, 0 negation means again 1, so it will begin 1. Now 10th rule, a plus ab equals to a, that is absorption law. So here is, suppose that 1 plus 1 plus b, so it will be circuit observe this particular b signal by itself. So a will be final output of the particular signal, I am to say result. 11th, a plus a bar b equals to definitely ab. And 12th, a plus b, then into a plus c, it will be a plus bc. Now we are going to understand principle of duality. Every algebraic identity that can be proven by Boolean algebra laws remains valid if swap all the AND gate and OR gate, okay, and 0 and 1. So understand student, so according to principle of duality, in every Boolean expression, if all gates are exchanged in AND to OR and OR to AND, and 0 signal to high state and high state to 0 signal, I mean to say lower state, it will be considered as a principle of duality. So proof visible of inspections, and that is inceptions, all the valid remaining valid if we are interchanging all. So plus and dot and 0 and 1. It means to say AND gate will be converted to OR gate, or OR gate convert to AND gate, and 0 state will be converted to high state and high to low state, I mean to say 0 state. Now De Morgan's theorem. De Morgan's theorems provide the mathematical verification for the equivalency of NAND and negative OR gates, and the equivalency of NOR and negative AND gates. So once we have to understand it again student, actually De Morgan's theorem provide the facility equivalency of NAND gate, okay, and negative OR gate, and equivalency of NOR gate to negative NAND gate. So we can understand by this particular example. So here you can see there are two gates are here, that is x dot y whole bar, that is NAND gate. We have done first of all AND, then after that NOR, I'm going to say NAND gate, and then after that negative OR. So it means to say this particular plus will be converted, I'm say AND gate will be converted to plus, and the state of x itself for x bar and plus y bar, it is difficult, I'm say different than whole bar. Same way, x plus y whole bar equals to x bar dot y bar. So this is way to understand De Morgan's theorem. Actually, De Morgan's theorem, partial principle of duality, we can say that, in which the particular gates are going to change, not their signal state. So I hope student you have understand it well. Till then student, thank you and have a nice day.